Alright everybody, happy Thanksgiving, welcome back. So yesterday, at the beginning of the day, went ahead and finished off shooting some slack wires for the two aux sensors in this room. I thought they were already done, but they were not. So I went ahead and got those completed and zip tied the wires for those going in to the slack wires. And then going out to the hallway, I had Brian the apprentice working on the lights in the hallway, which he killed it. Got all of those lights done. And then I went ahead and shot slack wires for the corners of those lights and an extra one for the wire going in because it was not next to the corners. So I shot 3 slack wires for each of the lights and then went ahead and got the emergency circuit ready to be turned off for a shutdown. Got that repiped. We're going to have to refeed that, which goes into the men's locker room. So got that scheduled up. Then lastly, at the end of the day, went ahead and took out this emergency plug and put a extension on it, which is going to get a 3/4 pipe over to this box, which might be for a future disconnect switch for this panel machine box. So that's going to get piped between that box and this box, and then probably coming in with an LB or something like that, to be determined, but that's where we ended off yesterday.